In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 recording everything you copy by turning off Clipboard History. If you've noticed that Windows keeps a record of the text, images, or other items you copy, that's because of a feature called Clipboard History. It's useful for some people, but if you're concerned about privacy or just don't like your clipboard being stored, you can easily turn it off. I'll walk you through what it is, how to clear it, and how to disable it completely so Windows stops saving what you copy. First, let's open the Settings app. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This is a quick shortcut that takes you directly into Settings, without needing to search for it. Once Settings is open, look at the menu on the left side and click on System. This is where Windows groups most of the core options for your device. In the System section, scroll down a bit on the right until you find an option called Clipboard. Then click it. This is the page that controls everything related to copying and pasting. On the Clipboard page, you'll see a section labeled Clipboard History. If this switch is turned on, Windows is actively keeping a list of recent items you've copied, and it can even sync them across your devices if you use that feature. To stop Windows from recording everything you copy from now on, simply click the switch to turn Clipboard History off. When it's off, Windows will only keep the last item you copied, and it won't store a long list anymore. If you also want to remove anything that's already stored, look for the Clear Clipboard Data section on the same page. Click the Clear button. This deletes the current history of copied items that Windows has saved. It's a good step if you've been using Clipboard History for a while and want a clean slate. From this point forward, with Clipboard History turned off, Windows 11 will no longer maintain an ongoing record of everything you copy. You'll still be able to copy and paste normally with Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. You just won't have that extended list of past items. That's all you need to do to stop Windows 11 from recording everything you copy. Take a moment to double-check that the Clipboard History toggle is off, and you're all set.